it almost didn't make it. I mean, literally. I mean, this thing was so close.
It looked like it didn't make it.
1 year wonder. I mean,
That's 100% true.
This dusty Corvette in the barn? What if the very first Corvette ever built sat untouched for 72 years with only 11 miles on the clock? Well, we're about to get into what's going on with this very first Corvette ever built, then number one. Without further ado, let's go. What's up, everyone? Here is your opportunity to win yourself a 2026 Corvette 01 Coupe with the ZTK Performance Package. Here's the best part. Every ticket you buy goes to the Chip Miller Foundation, and you get 2 times the entry when you use my code CGarner2X. Not only that you're buying tickets to enter this drawing, you're actually changing lives. Now this giveaway will end soon, so get your tickets right now. What are you waiting for? Click the link down in my pinned comment section, then click Donate Now to enter. You will see CGarner2X at the top. Then you have the option of choosing $25, $50, $100, $200, $350, $500, $1,000, and $2,000. The last guy that won bought $2,000 worth of tickets, and he went away with his brand new Z06. Good luck, and I hope one of my subscribers wins. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another episode of CGarner Speed 252, and we are out here at Corvette and Carlisle. That's neighbor Mark, as you can see right here.
Hey guys, how's it going?
And Mark, tell us what you know about this car, man.
I don't know much, but
Okay.
I know one thing.
Okay.
It is number one.
Like number one.
Number one.
What-
They always thought throughout the years that number 1 and 2, they only had documented number 3, and they
Okay.
knew that was the earliest Corvette. But John Amwert from NCRS and another gentleman, I don't remember his name, we're going to do a presentation on Friday, and they're going to talk about them finding this car.
This is the
Historic.
number one Corvette that was ever made.
Number one, Corvette number one, and for years it was disputed. There was no number one. It was crushed. It was in. So I don't know the total story on it, but we're going to hear it at 4 o'clock on Friday. Again, it's number one Corvette.
Okay,
You can see it's obviously rough, and you can see the fiberglass through it. But can you imagine finding the number one Corvette?
No, I can't. That's why I'm sorry. That's why I'm asking you multiple times. You sure this is number one. So based off what you see, Mark, what are you seeing right now?
Oh, I'm seeing,
How are you feeling?
I'm just feeling, I can't wait to see the presentation because I don't want to put words in. Car is where it all started. It's why we're all here.
But that rag top looks pretty in good condition.
Maybe they fixed the rag top. Maybe they brought a new one. I don't know. Maybe, maybe they did it to cover it up so when they bring it to shows, because as you know, it's raining right now.
That is true.
Misting, so maybe water's getting out here, but this is amazing.
That is true.
Just absolutely amazing.
You think these are original tires? They kind of look like it.
I don't know. I don't know.
I mean, these white wall tires are.
Maybe like, what, 70-year-old tires or something? Or 70-year-old tires? I don't know.
I mean, yeah, that's a good
I
point.
mean, look at the fiberglass. You can see that it's probably hand laid, and I mean, it's just amazing.
So what year would this car be, Mark?
53, obviously.
53. So you do know some stuff.
Well, everybody knows the first year of the Corvette, 1953.
I mean, some people just don't know. Some people just don't know. For instance, would this be considered a Stingray?
No,
See?
Stingrays didn't start till 63.
See, I'm getting some questions out of you. I'm getting some answers out of you now.
No, it's amazing.
All right. What was on the dash of this bad boy?
I don't know. We're gonna find out 4 o'clock on Friday. But this
4 o'clock on Friday. We can find out right now.
amazing to be standing at it right now.
Yeah, 140, Mark. Right here.
The odometer.
Yeah.
What does it say?
140.
Total miles?
No, like
140,000.
140 miles per hour is what's on the dash.
Yeah. Well, I don't think the straight 6 could get up to 140 miles an hour. So.
Was it a straight 6?
Yeah.
See, you do know some stuff about this car, Mark. Why are you holding out on the people?
Everybody knows it's a straight 6.
Not
Blue
everybody
flame.
knows. Not everybody knows.
Some blue flame.
That's why I got you part of this video, because you know some things that people don't know, Mark.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Now,
Incredible.
would you take this home and park in your garage?
No way. No, I can't do. No, you can't touch this car. There's a guy standing right behind us, and if I put my finger on it, it's gonna come and break my head.
Where did he go?
He left.
Oh man, just that quickly? He got scared of
He
you.
got scared. He got scared. He saw the gun. So, but yeah, it's just amazing to be here and to see this and to see the presentation of it. I can't wait to hear it.
Now here's a question. Do you think it's still running? Or you think they pushed it up here?
I don't know how they got it up here.
Mark?
I don't know. I don't know.
That was just a guess, Mark. You sort of guess.
I don't want to go where I can't support my statements. It's just amazing to be here and witnessing this. So.
Yeah, it's definitely different. Just look at like the detail.
Well, you can see the fiberglass. You can see the cracks, and you can see the. It's just crazy.
This wasn't a car that I would be driving back in the day, I guess.
Well, look how close the steering wheel is to the seat. Look at this. I don't know how people did it.
Yeah, that's a good point.
How do you barely have enough room between the steering wheel and the back of the seat? My dad had a 56.
Your dad had a 56?
And it was same thing. The steering wheel was like this. I mean, you know?
Yeah.
And they didn't have collapsible steering columns back then. So if you got into an accident, it's coming through your chest.
That's true. They didn't have airbags back then.
Or airbag, but today's steering wheels are collapsible. So if you
Right.
get into an accident, they kind of shrink up. It's a big like javelin. It just would kill you. So it's just amazing how people fit in them and drove them.
Yeah, that's a good point. But people back then wasn't that big compared to people now.
I think that's probably why the sales were low until they started making it a little bit more modern. Maybe the 56s and 57s and then the 63s gave it a little bit more room. I think they just became a little bit more. And then, of course, when Zora started getting that V8 in it in 55, it just made it more, because they weren't selling
more practical.
A lot of them in 53 and 54. They didn't sell many of them.
And they was only selling to one.
Yeah.
One kind at the time. I mean, it wasn't. The audience wasn't that big of an audience. What's up, my brother? Zippity doo dah. Zippity doo day.
Did you leave your car here? You left your car up here.
I got keys already.
That's right. Okay.
You said this earlier. How much horsepower this car had back then? I thought you said it.
Flame 6. I think it was under 200. I don't know. 180 maybe.
Jeez.
180, 150, 180. It was very small.
Wow.
It was just a passenger V8, passenger straight 6 with a different carburetor setup, and that's kind of why it was anemic back then. So
gotcha.
Notice there's no windows.
Yeah, I just noticed that.
It was just curtain windows, like on the first year of the Viper, where they didn't have roll-up windows, right?
Really?
Just the plastic.
Saving weight? Were they saving weight, Mark?
No, I think they were saving money.
I think they were saving money.
Because I don't know that they were going to be making this for very long, so who knows and they needed to get it out,
Yeah. This is, if this truly is the #1 Corvette that they've ever made, this is pretty unique to see it here.
Yeah. And you know who's the father of the Corvette, right? He's the one that came up with the idea for the Corvette, came up with the idea of a small two-seater sports car.
Say the name.
Come on, do you know?
Say the name.
Harley Earl. He's the father of the Corvette. So, 1953. They say Zora's the father, right?
That's what they say. That's what I was going to say.
They say that because the Corvette was there before he even worked for Chevy. He's the godfather of the Corvette, right? He's the one that made it stay, right? He's the one that in 54, 55 came to work for Chevy and put the V8 in and did all the engineering to it to keep it going. Because if he hadn't come, Corvette would have been dead in 55.
Really?
Yeah, so.
Wow.
He's the godfather of the Corvette. Right?
But he always wanted to be mid-engine, right? Wasn't it one of his whole...
As it went, when the 63 came out, when the 68 came out, he wanted to go mid-engine. He was pushing the envelope.
Are you happy that they went mid-engine?
Right now, and for the C8?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, I think it was, at its time, it was the right thing to do because we had the technology. You didn't have technology back in the 60s and 70s to put a mid-engine car and make it reliable. And, it was the right timing. Even
Okay.
the C7 might have been a mid-engine, right? We're talking about it, but
Right.
even the technology and the timing with GM bankruptcy, it just wasn't the right time. Everything fell into place with the mid-engine.
That makes sense. That makes sense. I mean, because if you take a look, and if this is truly the #1 van, this is what it is now,
Yeah.
which is crazy. It went from this to this.
Yeah.
And what the span of how many decades?
Well, 70 years, right?
Wow. And now we have what you call a C8 Stingray, black on black. This must be a 1LT. There's no way this is anything. Oh, it's a 2LT. Wow.
2LT, yeah.
Looks like a 1LT from the outside.
Yeah.
Jeez. And that's what it came from. Can you imagine? That is absolutely insane. What a night and day.
70 years of engineering, and you could take probably any car from 70 years ago to now. It's just amazing what. But I know which one I could work on more easily.
Which one is that?
The old one. I would need a laptop and an IT degree to figure this out.
A laptop and an IT degree.
Good Lord.
Because how old are you, Mark?
Excuse me? You want to start something?
No, I don't want to start nothing. Ah,
Not
man.
as old as the first Corvette.
Okay.
He's older than me. He's older than me.
Are you sure?
It's got me beat by 10 years. So.
Oh, man. Well, it looked like it's in good shape.
I wish I was in such good shape. Than I do it.
Oh, that was funny.
Too funny.
I mean, and I guess what technically would this do?
Protecting the headlights from rocks or anything.
I guess so, but that's a big gap. Like,
I know, right?
You can get a whole finger in there.
And we didn't have that for the grill guards for the C8, right?
Right.
Everything would have been going through, yeah.
Yeah, that's true. Jeez. I just want to touch it.
Oh, here he comes.
No.
Here he comes. I'm just kidding.
And they got one mirror over here and not one over there.
Even the 63 didn't have a mirror on the passenger.
Really?
Yeah.
See, I didn't know that, Mark. See, you do know stuff.
Well, I know stuff, but not enough about this car to be an expert.
Well, I didn't ask for expert advice. I just asked for some details, and you gave them to me, Mark.
There you go. That's it.
Who you talking to? Your mama. What do you think so far, Mike?
That?
Yeah.
I don't know, man. That's crazy.
I mean, that face said a lot. It
It
kinda-
really is nostalgic to think that this is the very first Corvette ever built.
I told Mark I don't believe it.
Well, I mean, it kind of looks like it.
Well,
Kinda like when I'm in the house with your mom, I can tell she's the first lady ever built.
oh. Those mama jokes, man. He gets me every time with those mama jokes.
I always forget, and I call her Eve. You know.
Oh, man. Those mama jokes. Don't he can't touch it, Mark? Why not?
Oh, you don't touch a car on the. What if I touch in your car?
You always touch my car.
I know, but it's because I'm.
Hey.
Fight.
Piece of history.
Yeah.
Is this really #1 car though, Rob?
The rumor was it was. I'm taking their word for it.
What do you know about the 1953 Corvette, Robert?
It almost didn't make it. I mean, literally. I mean, this thing was so close.
It looked like it didn't make it.
1 year wonder. I mean,
That's 100% true.
It looked like it barely made it here.
it's current condition. We're not talking about that.
He asked me how many horsepower the Blue.
Yeah, how much horsepower does this car have? 150? Ah, you knew the answer, but you was close
but
though.
at the time, what was goofy. At the time, that was the most powerful V6 available.
It was a V6?
Straight six, excuse me.
Straight 6. Okay, see, y'all both know stuff.
Between the both of us,
The boys are back in town.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
The boys are back in. Wait, did I just miss a joke?
Blue Flame inline 6. So I should have said straight 6.
Yeah.
Duh.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry.
All right.
Come on, man. Right, exactly.
Your finger oils will deteriorate.
No, Mark, stop it.
I got a picture of the car with the Three Stooges behind it.
Don't touch it, right?
I take it as a thumbnail.
Hey,
Well, guys, that's going to conclude my video of the first Corvette VIN number that was ever created. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below and subscribe on what's your thoughts. Do you think this is truly the #1 Corvette that was ever built? If it is, what's your thoughts on it having 150 horsepower, straight six? And what do you think it looks like in your eyes? Is it a #1 VIN, or is it just a car you think people piece together? Leave your comments down below, and I see another episode of Seek on the Speed 2, 5, and 2.